Hi everyone, today I am going to show you funny faces and super faces. Okay, first face is sad. Next is happy. Next is very angry. Next is a monkey. Next is a goose. Next is you guys subscribe and next what will I do? Dog. Okay. It's stop.